TikTok's most viral slime. Cold Jacqueline slime is going viral everywhere. It's not just on TikTok. 2 Walmarts and 2 Targets later, I have one of everything. And today we're gonna make a big old mess in slime, but we're gonna try out everything. Welcome to this series where I try out different things for you. And today we're trying one of TikTok's most viral slimes made by a TikTok creator. Now, I used to watch Jacqueline when she first started, but I had no idea she had so much slime out until I started researching TikTok products. Literally tried to get one of everything. I have the little slime like bottle, and then I found these. They're like slime box. I don't know if I can say that. A viral slime kit, which I'm still trying to figure out who Compound Kings are, but I don't know. But I got all of her stuff. Actually, how do we know which one to do? You know what time it is. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Tricked ya, I win. We're gonna save the big one for last, and we're gonna start with the bottles. It's the blue one. Moving into a new studio, and wait until you see the setup. I'll still have like the neon background on one side, but girl, it's so good. Slimes in it. Cool, we're gonna open all of them. Cotton Candy Blue Raz. Oh, raspberry water slime. I always keep retinol cream now because after I opened that one Nito, it was the only thing that opened it. Oh, that smells good. That smells like something you would use as soap. Okay, starting off the bat, I'm not a fan of wet gooey slime, and that's what this one is. So don't like roast me on this because I know I like the others better. It is. This is like back to like slime we had as like a kid. Oh my God. Oh my God. But it's actually not as like gooey as you would think. It's coming right off my hands. Hold on. This is not a good example. It's coming off. Give me a second. Next, we're doing the glittery one. This one's not as liquidy. Is this like the OG slime from when I was a kid? The new slime it doesn't feel like slime. Like this is what we grew up with. Okay, moving on. It does smell like cotton candy. This one's also blue raz, but I love the buttery stuff. I love butter slime. It is the only one that I will like actually buy and use. The other ones I just don't like. Peachy Baby is still one of my favorites just because of the texture, but this is so good. And look, it's not gooey on your hands. That's like a huge win. I hate when it like sticks on your hand. Like it's actually really good. I have so many cool videos coming up in my new studio. I bought like all the 90s products and we're gonna try them. And then I bought fake Apple products off of Temu. It's gonna be lit. Next, let's do, which one do I have 2 of? I don't. Okay, let's do Snow. I feel like Snow is pretty cool. Different Targets because I saw them at Target, and each Target I got a new one. Okay, it comes with 6 fabulous mix-ins. Choose mix-in, 2 spin top, 3 flip lid. Oh look, there's like different, you spin the lid and it has different things. So it looks like we got beads in one hand, snow in the other, more beads, glitter, blue beads, and white beads. That's so cool. The blue beads, see they come out, oh they're heavy. These are heavy, but you spin it and it gives you different okay, that's actually pretty cool. Okay, spin top and then flip lid. I don't know what we're flipping lid for, but oh, wait, that's actually so cool. It comes with 4 individual slime packets and then the mix-in. So you actually don't have to use it all. I was like, why am I only picking 4? Okay, that's actually nice. Out of 6 objects, like what I wanted to use. That's a marketing genius. Okay, I'm pretty sure these are the water slimes, but that's okay. I'm gonna pour it in a dumpling container because I don't want to run that container. Hers is like the only slime that I haven't bought, and maybe because I get it from Five Below all the time, but hers are not like the wet, gooey, sticky. It's not wet and gooey. It's like thick and like smooth. Runs between your hands. Actually, I really like this. Like you can't even hear it. I think out of all of the slime designs I've done, this has the most marketing. That's like perfect marketing because you can also put it back in here and then mix the other ones, but it has so many different options. Like maybe if I just read the package, I would have known all of that. However, I didn't. So it was a pleasant surprise, but that's perfect. Like I could make so many more videos out of it. And it came with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Came with 8 mix-ins. That's great. Now we're gonna do her big one. This one is crystal clear. I've actually never had a huge container at a Walmart that was so outdated. I was actually shocked. I went into Finitos because it was like a small little town, and then they had this and I was like, wait, I haven't seen a big one yet. It's massive. That smells so good. Oh, it's Tutti Frutti. This is, okay, first off, rewind. All of her stuff smells like Bath and Body Works. Okay. Oh my God. Wait, I have so much respect for this slime. This is not, oh my God, look at this. This is massive. This is not wet and gooey like every slime I've ever used. It is smooth. It smells good and it doesn't leave my hands wet and gooey. And I also like how it like drips, but like you see how it's not staying on my hands at all? Like that is my favorite part of any type of slime. I cannot handle the slime you make at home. No, can't do it. I tried to do like 10 pounds of it, but look, this is the best. If I had to get one thing, I would go get this. If you like slime, this is what needs to be sold out of hers. This is like perfect. The other one was a marketing genius. This is just really good slime. I don't think anything's gonna beat that. Like that is so good. Welcome to Maddie's Halftime Show, where I show you squishies that I bought and I was lucky to find. So I'm gonna show you all of them. Favorite, this is the cake one. I got it from Five Below. It is so good. I got from Target. This one just has a really big air bubble and I'm too scared to pop it, but it's still really good. Grapefruit, I got destroyed on social media for calling it something else. I don't remember what I said. This is the best, besides the cake. This is the grape. I love it. Pickle is the best big one I have because it doesn't have an air bubble. Well, I lied. It does now have an air bubble, but it's so good. I don't know where I got this. I think I got it at Five Below actually, but it's not really filled to the top. Every color of Needle Ball. But now is the time you've all been waiting for. We're gonna do the big one. I kind of don't want to like mess up the packaging because it's so cute. With 4 scented slimes, vanilla, cotton candy, tutti frutti, and blue raspberry. And it comes with mix-ins. Where it's not a food product, but I think we figured that out. You can lock it, take it everywhere with you. I don't want to ruin the packaging because it's actually really pretty. Got it at Target. Okay. I love the carrying case, to be honest. Okay. We're gonna try the slimes out. The lights in here are so bright, I'm like seeing stars. You could actually use this carrying case for more than one thing. It is the clear and these two other, I think the purple and the blue are like the water ones, and then the yellow and the pink are the butter ones. So we're gonna try them out. It says Tutti Frutti. Moving, so I'm giving out all of this slime on my page. Exactly like the clear one. These are just so good. They're not gooey. Like if you want slime, like why are we buying that cheap stuff? Like, I mean, this was cheap. Like this was only 14, like 6 or 7, but these are so good. Okay. And it smells good. Okay, we're gonna do the blue one. I think blue is blue raz. It open. Okay. It smells so good. Okay, this one's a little gooier. This one, not my favorite out of all of them, just because I'm just not a gooey person. I like the other ones better. Oh no, I can't get it off my, got it out of my hair. Okay, this one's the yellow one. It's vanilla. Oh, I love the smell of vanilla. It's like one of my favorites. Much. Maybe that'll cheer me on to get soda. I do think I left this in my car, but this is more like putty. It's nice. This would be such a cute little kit for someone's birthday that wants to like try different things. I think once we hit 50,000 on my channel, I'm just gonna give like 2 people all of this, like all of the slime. All right, we're gonna go to pink. Cotton candy. Yeah, it is. Hello, let's do this. I like this one. I feel like each of these had slightly a different like texture, but this, I don't know. This girl doesn't have enough hype. Or maybe she does, and maybe I haven't watched, she hasn't showed up on my feed since like COVID, till the other day when I looked her up. But it smells good, and it's like really good. Like, I have been trying like all different slimes. Like, I wish I could show you, but there's like this stuff. This is the Sugar Sand Slime Pop one. Oh, I did like this one, lies. This one's Kinetic Sand mixed with slime. It's actually really good. lies, that one was good. Let me show you a different one. It just wasn't the best. And so I feel like there's so many different types of slime, but hers like really hit it on the head with like the textures. And I feel like there's a texture for everyone. I'm not just saying this is so not. About 9 more I'm gonna unbox on shorts, just because I feel like you guys kind of like short and quick videos. But honestly, like these were great. Like I would give these an honest 10 out of 10, maybe a 9 out of 10, but like I want to find more of this because it is just so good. I'm gonna be playing with this. I wonder, can I like of the best? This is honestly the best slime I've opened, and I've gotten a ton of these big ones for like challenges. Go get it. All right, like I said, the background's gonna be changing soon. We're getting an actual studio, and it's gonna be really pretty. I am gonna have something similar to this setup, but we're going with a white and airy one. So I can't wait to show you guys. We have a couple more. My next video is going to be trying Mr. Beast snacks. The video after that, we're trying fake Apple products. So we are going to be doing an array of stuff. And like I said, keep leaving positive comments because everything I buy, I give away. There's only like a few little things, like maybe the Nice Neato that I'm keeping. Everything else I buy and do on these things are for you guys. So keep being good humans in my comment sections, and I'm proud of each and every one of you. I don't know if you know this, I have a family vlog page, and I will put that in the description this time because some of you have found it and asked if it's me. So it might be a bad day month here, but it's not a bad life. I'll see you on the flippy floppy. I'll see you Sunday because the video comes out on Fridays and Sundays.